Alright guys, we're here off of Crenshaw and got the fire department going up with chains. They were called to this building, probably fire maybe. Show you where you guys are at. This is gonna be a building right here down the corner. Over here, I'm chopping up. Could have been a fire or something upstairs. This building down here, up Crenshaw. Show you guys where we're at, real quick. Talking about smoke going on out here in Torrance Engine 96. Got it blocked off. As you can see, Torrance Engine ladder 96. We're up on that corner right there. This is going to be 164th and Crenshaw. Got the other fire department over there running water. This building right here at 164th. I didn't know there was a fire out here. We just saw these guys come out here quick. We didn't even know they had a car. But we're down the block washing. Sorry about that. Couple of guys. We're down the block washing, and we saw these guys with Engine 96 as well, as you can see up there. Let the water hose going. They start letting all the water out. Might have been a little small fire in there. Put the hose away. I caught it on time. They look like they're up the roof. Some hose coming out, maybe. Or is it empty? We don't know. Maybe they're just training. Who knows? They were called out here real quick for this. Probably was this fire. Maybe they saw the smoke. Got it on time. So guys, this is Torrance and 96. Really good view. Here, they're up there. They're chopping up something. One water hose there. Maybe it was a quick little fire. Somebody reported the smoke, maybe unknowingly. They saw smoke coming out. They got it on time. Cutting up on the roof. Let's see if we can get another angle, guys. We'll get another little. They're up there right now. Cool, I get to walk around the truck. All right. Open fire right here. Up on the roof. Alright, we're gonna take off. Fortunately, small little roof fire up on the top. I guess they're remodeling this building, and somebody called it in, said they saw some smoke coming out. Probably, we're not sure. We didn't get quite the radio because they have all their transmissions blocked. Alright guys, we'll see you guys some other time. We're out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is in the city of Torrance, Crenshaw 164th Street. As you can see, we are out.